Everyone, I hope you guys know amazing. Guys, TikTok just sent me air fryer. Guys, can you believe TikTok sent me air fryer? Guys, I'm going downstairs right now. I'm going to collect my air fryer. The postman just called me that your air fryer is delivered. Guys, let's go down and check it right now. I can see the boss, guys. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Here is my air fryer. Oh my god, look at that. Hello guys, I got a present. I got something I want to show you guys. Guys, I got air fryer. Air fryer. This air fryer. Oh, TikTok sent me this, guys. Can you believe? Let's do unboxing, guys. This air fryer will give me a lot of options to create amazing recipes for you. Just before I continue, right, the link is in the description, guys. Let's unbox it and start doing some amazing recipes. Let's do this right now. I'm so excited, guys. It's 8 liters. That means I can do everything in one place. Let's get in. Let's get unboxing. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited right now. This air fryer, I'm going to make chicken wings. Alright, so guys, you can see this is my chicken wings. This is how they look like. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to carefully put these chicken wings in. You know, I'm not using any oil at all. I'm just going to paste it very nice because it's my first time cooking this recipe. So I'm just going to try it, you know. Yeah. So my chicken wings is already prepped. It's already marinated. It's in the fridge for about 12 hours. Alright, so guys, here is my delicious wings. Alright, there's one more space here, so I'm just going to get my chicken wings in. So let's see how our chicken wings look like. This is how our chicken wings look after placed neatly into the the pan. Alright, so guys, let me move the camera so we can get cooking. Alright, so guys, I'm just going to power my air fryer. I've just powered it now. I'm going to put my chicken wings inside. I'm going to press the power button. I'm going to press meat. Then it says 35 minutes. I'm just going to start timing. Pretty simple, right? So let's see, shall we? Well, it says 20 minutes. So this is where you increase the timing to nice. Alright, so guys, so far so good. It's about 14 minutes in. The chicken wings is looking amazing. I opened it a few minutes ago. You know, it looked pretty cool. You know, it's very. You can't even hear the sound. I could smell the chicken. Like, I never thought like I'll be cooking using air fryer, especially this 8 liter. It's just amazing. My chicken wings, I put half of it in because it's my first time. I want to make sure it cooked like very crispy. So yeah, so guys, by 10 minutes I'll take it out so that we can see how it's doing. So yeah, so stay tuned. The link is down here. So if you want to click and purchase, just let me know. You know, yeah, let's have fun cooking. You know, I love cooking. I'm not a chef, but I just love experimenting amazing food, and especially with the air fryer. Whew, there's no oil at all. Can you believe that? And also do me a little favor. While you're watching this amazing video, consider liking the video. You know, follow, subscribe, and also share this video with multiple people. Maybe somebody out there who doesn't have a lot of time. This might be very useful for them. So guys, we almost about to hit 10 minutes. I'll get it out and probably make sure the camera have all the best for you. Okay, so yeah, let's take it out and see how it look like. All right. All right, so guys, it's 10 minutes now. I'm just going to get it out. Look at that. What do we think? It cooks so nice. So what I'll do now is I'll just try to turn it. I'm just going to turn it down. I'm gonna flick it through. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it like, look at that. It looks amazing. I'm going to turn it, flick it around a bit. I think I need a proper, what do you call it? So I need to make sure I flip it around to make sure it's cooked from every angle. But so far so good. All right, let's go for another 10 minutes. All right, so guys, that's a halfway. Let's get in. Okay. So it's about a minute, 2 more minutes. So I believe what happens is when you get to the time, there's a buzzer, like a ping sound. So I hope it made a noise. Yeah, I'm looking forward actually. I'm quite excited, you know. I get excited for new stuff, you know. Sometimes I'm like a big kid, like I love new things, like I love experimenting. Since I started this channel, this page just to promote experimenting, like try new things, like especially food, because we eat food every day, and whenever I see food or whenever I talk about food, it just, my throat just make me walla walla, you know. Yeah, no, 1 minute timer. So let's see if you hear the noise, you know. I'm counting down the noise. I want to hear it to see how our chicken look like, you know, after 20 minutes. And then I'll try it to see, I'll taste it to see if it tastes good. You know, I don't know how hot it will be, so I'll taste it live for you guys to see if it tastes really, really good. Alright, well, we should be counting down, I believe, 60 seconds shortly. Well, it says 1 minute now. Right. So can you hear that? You hear ping, ping, ping. That means the chicken is ready. Alright, I'm going to take that baby out, guys. Oh my god, can you believe that, guys? Look our chicken. What do you think, guys? That chicken look divine. Oh, it's not even hot. It's a little bit hot. Look at that. I mean, yes, cook amazing chicken, guys. Can you believe that? Can you believe? Look at this. That's the juice from the chicken wings. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, guys. It's very juicy. God, that's hot. Wow. Guys, this is perfect. Look. It cook is so it tastes so good. It tastes, I'm just going to bite it so that we can actually taste it, you know. I should be serving it actually, you know what? Guys, no oil chicken wings. Oh my god, mine is quite spicy. Guys, I don't know, it's like a sensational feeling. Well guys, that's our chicken wings. What do you think? Look at this baby. So delicious, right? That's so beautiful. Chicken wings cooked by this living home air fryer, guys. This 8-liter air fryer just cooked me one of the most good looking, tasty, amazing chicken wings. Shall we munch? Shall we munch, man? Can you hear how crispy this chicken wings is? Guys, click on the link right now and make a purchase. This is bang! This is amazing!